and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147. It's Fansells Friday. So let's have a look at what goodies we have for today. So I'm going to start with this first one. Now this is a storage option for people, whether this be for kits or for potentially spare diamonds if you only have a small amount. I have my system for spare diamonds that I absolutely love. It grows with me, but I do recognise that some people do prefer a different way of storing diamonds, or they may not have as many, etc. Oh wow, this actually comes with more than what I thought it did. So first up we have a binder. So I chose the blue clip, but there are different clips. It has sort of a plastic bendable, if need be, flexible system. We then have very tight clips, and let me just work out which way up is up. Oh, it actually doesn't matter. They are sideways. Okay, so let's pop those in. So you get these sheets that have 4 different sections, and that's what these bags are for. So these bags will fit into these sections. So you could use this if you wanted to transport some diamonds, maybe for a kit, or maybe to keep hold of some spares, whatever you may want. But you have a load of different baggies here, and they're pretty good quality bags. They're not the really thin bags. They're fairly thick. I don't know what the actual thickness measurement equals out as, but they're not your cheap flimsy bags. They're nice quality bags, and you do get loads of them. In addition to that, you get some plain sticker sheets, but then you do also get some sheets that you can use for the DMC numbers. So that's a DMC colour of Blanc. Primarily, the DMC colours used in diamond painting start at 150. But in turn, you could use this for cross stitch if you wanted to, because it does have some of the newer colours that are used in cross stitch. So normally diamond painting starts around 150. You've got the Blanc, you've got the Ecru, you've got the B5 200, which are the other colours in DMC. Then you've got all the numbers up to 3866, and then you do have some blank ones as well, and they are individual stickers. So you could put these onto the baggies, or you could put them onto the folders. You've also got some blank ones if you do want to create, you know, your own sort of system, or maybe you used up a number in this and you want to write yourself another one. And you can either use this, as I say, to start storing maybe your spare diamonds, or for a project that you're doing, maybe you want to put them aside for something, and this sort of binder would work perfectly for you. Or you could even use it for cross stitch threads if you wanted, and just wrap the thread up in there, or wrap it up in the bag to keep it clean. So that's a new item, or new to me, on their site. By the time you see this video, it may have been there for a little bit. And then we have item number 2, and I'm guessing this isn't a diamond painting. I did have a brief scan through of my list of stuff from them, but I didn't pay attention to exactly what was in each packet because I like the surprise. So this is an off the canvas item. These are some stickers, but I thought they were a little bit more adult stickers. Don't get me wrong, some of the images that they also have in stickers of unicorns and things can very well be used for an adult. But I felt these were a little bit more adult stickers. This is a set of flowers. You actually get quite a few. So there's quite a few different sticker sheets in here, but there is sticker sheet number 1, and you add diamonds to each of these flowers and you can then decorate whatever you want. Notebook, front of a binder, some drawers that you've got, whatever it may be. But we've got that one with some pink and blue. This one with some pink flowers, mainly pinks. We've also got some butterflies that come in on these two as well. So you get 4 sheets of stickers to do. You do get a toolkit. And this is something that maybe you decide that you just pop the stickers in the binder with the diamonds and take it with you as an on-the-go kind of trip, kind of thing. Especially if you have kids that go to clubs and you tend to hang about because there's no point in driving home and then driving back to pick them up. This could be your, you know, weekly or bi-weekly activity while waiting for the kids. But you get some blues. Do they have DMC numbers on? They don't have DMC numbers on, but the numbers do reflect the numbers on the stickers. But we have blues, of course, greens, quite a few different varieties. We're going to have lots and lots of different shades of pink. We've got some purple and some brown, some yellows and orange, and some more sort of reddy tones. They are all different reds. And then we have a little bit of white as well. So quite a nice selection of colours there for prettying up your stickers while sat waiting for whatever. It's a great on-the-go project because you could still potentially complete one sticker. You know, depending on what time you've got, you may decide to do a big flower or you may decide to do a little butterfly. But I love these, they're a bit of fun. Now, I think the stickers are, they're cardstock stickers. So you do end up with that light purple background. They're not on clear, just so you know. I don't know whether I particularly have a favourite. That lilac colour that's in the background, I'd call it a lilac. It's got a very hint of pink or a hint of purple in it. It's a nice colour to complement every single one of those flowers. They're not going to look funny at all. So that is item number 2. And then for number 3, I'm pretty sure this one is a diamond painting. If not, when I've split up the items that have arrived into videos, I did badly. No, it is a diamond painting. This one is a 30 by 40. And it is a funky canvas. Oh, this one is too. It comes with individual packs of diamonds. There is obviously various different manufacturers of items that Fansells offer on their site. So there's no universal way that a kit will definitely come. Pretty much every single diamond painting that I've had has been a poured glue. I think I may have had one that was a double-sided tape, but primarily they are all poured glue. Some come in baggies, some come in the bags like these. Quite often this is the most popular one, but then there are some that come with the diamonds in individual bags or bags of 200. So for white, each of those has about 200, and you have a strip of those for doing all the way around the outside. And then we then have some nice pinks, blues, yellows and greens, really dark purples, more pink. Is that brown? Oh no, that's black. 310s. Some more off, you know, more muted colours. More of a burgundy type colour. A bit of blue. More shades of blue and green and turquoise, and some more hot pink. But I like this one. It's turquoisey, but it's got the odd hot pink. It's got the odd bit of green. A bit of a pop. Oh, get back in. There we go. Got it back in. So it has 19 different colours. It does come with DMC codes, which is what you match up to the bags. Symbols are really clear, and while it does have a white border, it's not too much that it is too blocky. And if you look at the likes of this background, there is loads of symbols that make that up. All of the symbols are letters of the alphabet, which is a lot easier to repeat in your head multiple times so that you don't lose track of where you're up to. It's always easier to say a letter of the alphabet than to say a word for a symbol. Like the percentage symbol, percentage, 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 going on and on in your head, whereas the letter A is a bit quicker. So this one is 25 centimetres by 35 for the actual design space, and I think it's fun. And often that is why I diamond paint and why I pick what I do, because they're fun. So today's selection, we have a cacti diamond painting. So cacti is for multiple, isn't it? And cactus is a single. I think I've got it the right way around. Then we have some flowers, stickers, and a storage binder for multiple different ways it could be used depending on what suits you, your projects and your needs. But I will pop links to them down below so that you can go and check them out. Thank you to Fansells for sending me these and for sponsoring today's video, and thank you to you guys for watching and helping make this all happen. So I'll speak to you all again soon.